Everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add BNB comic on a CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, open your CapCut apps and add a video or a photo that you want to edit. And now, in here you can click on the effect at the bottom. And after this, in here you just click on the video effect. And then at the menu you can swap until you can see comic, this one. So you just click on it, and after this, in here you can see this is the BNB comic one, comic through, sorry. And then this is the BNB comic one. You can choose the BNB comic that you want. This is the one, and then this is a two. And after this, in here you just click on the check icon, this one. Now you can adjust the effect, so you can click on the adjust at the bottom. You can adjust for the filter like this. And now you can click on the check icon at the bottom. And after this, you can set the effect until the end of the video and finish. So that's how to add PNV comic on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.